Food safety for people with weakened immune systems. Preparing for grocery shopping. In this video, you will learn how to keep reusable shopping bags safe, why grocery shopping should be your last errand, how to keep reusable shopping bags safe. If you use reusable shopping bags, clean them before you shop. Harmful germs from food can grow in reusable shopping bags if they are not cleaned. Wash bags after each use with warm, soapy water. Canvas or cloth shopping bags can be washed in a washing machine. Why grocery shopping should be your last errand. To keep your food safe, make grocery shopping your last errand so you can go straight home after you are done. This will limit the amount of time these foods sit in the temperature danger zone. For more information, watch the video, The Temperature Danger Zone. You have come to the end of this video. In this video, you have learned how to keep reusable shopping bags safe, why grocery shopping should be your last errand. Watch this video as many times as you like. For more information, refer to the pamphlet, Food Safety for People with Weakened Immune Systems. Ask a member of your healthcare team for this pamphlet or visit the Patient and Family Library at Princess Margaret Hospital. You can also find this pamphlet online through Princess Margaret Cancer Answers.